Douglas County Health sees its highest number of whooping cough cases in 12 years. Thank you for joining us. I'm Quinicia Fraser. The health department says as of Monday, there were 178 cases. The last time whooping cough numbers rose above 100 was in 2012 when there were 168 cases. KETV Newswatch 7's Aaron Hagerty spoke to the health department about who's getting sick and what they want you to know.
The Douglas County Health Department now reports nearly 180 cases of whooping cough this year. That's triple the number they had on November 12th. Pertussis gets its nickname the whooping cough because of the sound you might make if you have it.
And they can be quite severe to the point that people are vomiting, that they break their ribs, that they pass out.
And more people are getting the whooping cough.
The Midwest in particular seems to be hit particularly hard with pertussis right now. This is the most cases that we've had in over a decade.
So far in 2024, as of Monday, Douglas County Deputy Health Director Justin Frederick says they've seen 178 cases in Douglas County. It's only recently taken off. Just 5 of the cases were before August.
It's a big spike in cases right now and very concerning.
Frederick says most of the cases are in school-age kids. His concern is they will take it home to those especially at risk, the elderly and babies.
The bad thing about pertussis is once you get to that coughing phase, there's really no treatment at that point. The treatment will stop the person from being infectious or being able to spread it to other people in the community or in their home, but it won't slow the duration of the cough.
So staying up to date on the vaccination in childhood every 10 years for adults and during pregnancy is recommended.
We recommend pregnant moms get whooping cough vaccines in 3rd trimester of pregnancy, so they have enough antibody to protect the baby. Mom pass on the baby the antibodies up to 6 months of age.
Frederick notes a few hospitalizations this year, both in the very young. And the department has been contact tracing cases,
so that we can notify them so they can take the appropriate action to protect themselves and their families.
And the department will be putting up a dashboard on their website to track the number of whooping cough cases in the county. Reporting from the Douglas County Health Department, Aaron Hagerty, KETV Newswatch 7.